I replaced the burnt-out bulbs in my garage door opener with LED bulbs in 2018. However, the range of my garage remote wasn't what it used to be. I tried various troubleshooting methods, including reprogramming my remotes, disabling the Wi-Fi bridge, and buying new remotes, but nothing seemed to work. It wasn't until I repaired my opener and searched online that I discovered the LED bulbs were causing interference. I removed them, and now my remote works perfectly, even in cold weather. I realized that the lights turning off would allow the remote to work, which explained the inconsistent behavior. Removing the LED bulbs solved the problem, and I can now open my garage door without any issues.